In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract information from complex images using Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. I know that extracting information from images can sometimes feel daunting, especially when those images are loaded with details. Luckily, Google Gemini is here to simplify that process for you. So grab your device and let's get started. First, the first step in our journey is to navigate to Google Gemini. You can do this simply by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Google Gemini. It should pop up right near the top of the search results. Go ahead and click that link to head over to the Google Gemini homepage. If you're following along with me on your screen, you're likely seeing a clean interface filled with tools and options at your fingertips. This is the heart of what you'll need for extracting your information. Next, once you're on the homepage, look for the Google Gemini icon. This is usually displayed prominently, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can begin the process of examining your images. Now you're almost there. For our third step, look for a plus icon, typically found on the page. Clicking on this icon opens up a new modal where all the magic begins. It's like opening the door to a whole new tool set specifically designed for your needs. Once you've located and clicked that plus icon, it's time to upload the image you want Google Gemini to analyze. Look for the option that says Upload Files. When you click on this, a File Chooser dialog will pop up from your computer. It's time to select the image file you want to work with from your files. Go ahead and grab it and hit the Open button. With your image now selected and queued up, we're in the home stretch. The next step is crucial because you will need to type in your prompt. Think of a prompt like your instruction to the tool about what you want it to do. In our case, you'll type something along the lines of, "Please extract information from the given image." This specific wording will help Gemini understand exactly what you're asking it to analyze. Now that you've typed in your prompt, here's where the fun begins. Go ahead and hit the Enter button or click on the Submit option. Just like that, Google Gemini will process your image and you'll see it work its magic. And here's the exciting part. The detailed information should now be available in the chat or output section of the screen. You can go through the findings and see how accurately the tool has extracted the information from your image. It's incredible how technology can take something complex and break it down into easily digestible information. So there you have it. That's the complete process of using Google Gemini to extract information from complex images. Remember, the more specific you are with your prompts, the more refined and detailed your results will be. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below this video. And if you found this guide helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up to the video. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this for you. Thanks for watching and happy image analyzing with Google Gemini.